I was your age, we didn't have a remote. We had a thing called a knob.
Kevin, do it again.
And TV, we didn't have those. We had a radio.
Do it again.
Back then, the life expectancy was only 60.
Oh my god, you're killing me here. I'm trying to do homework here.
I got home in, I think I made it a little past that one. I'm sorry, young whippersnappers. I'm all tired. It's time for me to rest the old bones. How'd I do?